this area here is like a danger zone. Why do you think we need to approach slow?
So you can see what's coming.
What's coming in from where?
The right.
Good. Only from the right?
No, but mostly.
So if I'm say to you, we need to turn left at this roundabout.
Yeah.
Who do we give way to? Traffic coming from where?
The right.
From here?
Yeah.
Only from here?
No, people come around the roundabout as well.
Yeah, so think about, what about this one here? Can they not come?
Yeah.
Let me give you one small tip.
And they're supposed to stay in this one, aren't they?
Not necessary.
No?
Because imagine you have got 2 lanes there.
Okay.
And if their house is here,
Yeah.
how would they gonna stay there and then go there?
Yeah.
So they can come from here, then check the mirrors and signal to the left and goes over there.
Okay.
Do you understand what I mean?
Yeah.
So the tip I want to give it to you, every person teach differently. Anyone who is coming on your right shoulder, because this is your right, because your right shoulder is all this area, isn't it? Yeah. You need to give it to them. So you need to glance on your right and ahead.
Okay.
A lot of people, they miss looking ahead. In fact, yesterday I was doing a mock test. I have to press a brake because this person was looking only in the right and they missed the cars coming from my head completely. So I have to press a brake because he was signaling coming into there. So the moral of the story is, now the way I tell to my learners, imagine this area here is like a danger zone. Anybody you think is going to enter into this area, what would you do? You stop and
Wait.
give it to them. Yeah, or wait for them. Does it make sense?
Yeah.